What is going on, guys? Welcome back to R&M one more time. I appreciate you joining. Today, however you want to look at it, after work, we're going to be installing some Airlift airbags because we need them bad, because we're fixing to be towing our very first project into the shop, and it's going to be a good time. You need to stay tuned to check it out. It's going to be awesome. Alright guys, we got the truck backed in. It's ready to go. We're fixing to see what we got to install. Like I said earlier, we got some airbags. We're probably going to take some measurements off this rear end real quick and probably drop it another inch with the old Sawzall that was in the 12-second closet video over here. Alright, where is it? Here in the 12-second closet. That's where I keep it. We're not going to need that. Just a short little side tip. Yes, you can install these wrong. So, number one, the nipple goes up. Number two, the spacer goes on the top. Goes on the top. Pretty simple. The hard part is getting it in the coil spring. Oh, hold on. We need to go chalk the front wheels. It's kind of important. Let's see, what do we got here? This guy always seems to work pretty good. Wheel. Chalk. Not going anywhere. All right. Gonna fix a lot of that bottom out issue. As for this spare tire, what in the world do we got going on here? I don't know. So just a quick question for everybody. I bought this truck brand new from the dealership. It had like maybe 100 miles on it when I bought it. Has anybody seen this on their 5th gen Rams? Just out of curiosity. Does anybody see that? Holding the spare tire on? The hell? It's not my favorite toy, but it works. Mark my words, this will be some limited edition Mopar bike chain because it's blue, and 40 years from now will probably be worth, you know, $500. It's okay, we don't need that. Alright, so I think I'm gonna drop this spare tire. This is currently what we're looking at though. Spare tire. Heat shields, those will come out. Then we'll eventually get to our coil springs, which are somewhere up in here. Eventually get to those guys. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna have to catch you tomorrow afternoon because I ran into some stuff that I cannot take care of myself because I'm not back up to my full strength yet. So reached out to the buddy of mine that did the lowering kit. He is going to help me out and give me a lift tomorrow. And we'll catch you then. What's going on, guys? So we had to move over here to my buddy Chris's shop to use a few tools I don't have at the house. However, we've got everything almost torn apart, fixing to get this install going.